Welcome to our YouTube channel, Hotel Viewsing, featuring a review of the Hotel Grand Hyatt San Antonio Riverwalk. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment and share it with your friends. The 1,003-room Grand Hyatt San Antonio Riverwalk is situated on the banks of the Riverwalk and adjacent to the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center. This contemporary hotel, located in the heart of downtown San Antonio, offers an entirely new level of luxury and convenience among San Antonio hotels. The Grand Hyatt San Antonio offers 63 suites and over 90,000 square feet of flexible meeting space. Our location affords stunning views of downtown San Antonio of Hemisfair Park. Grand Hyatt San Antonio Riverwalk has several rooms available for accommodation. If you like the hotel, you can book it by following the link in the description. If you have already stayed at this hotel, you can leave your review in the comments. We are looking forward to your rating for this hotel. The hotel offers several types of breakfasts and various amenities. You can find more details by following the link in the description. Grand Hyatt San Antonio Riverwalk has several rooms available for accommodation. If you like the hotel, you can book it on trip.com by following the link in the description.